everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have something really bright and colorful in store for all of you. We are creating a Coco themed cake. Coco was so cute and it was so beautiful with the history of it. I won't ruin anything for anybody who hasn't seen it. I highly recommend it. My favorite character from the movie was the dog, Dante. He is a Xoloitzcuintli, or for short, Zolo. You'll definitely have to spell check or grammar check me down below.
Xoloitzcuintli.
I think I love him so much because I have a hairless cat. His name is Mushu. He is my absolute best friend and child.
Xoloitzcuintli.
God bless you.
I am excited about this cake today because it is not only Coco inspired, but it is also inspired by one of my past videos where I discussed 2018 cake trends. We are going to be incorporating the brushstroke themed cakes, which if you haven't seen my video, check it out. They are very bright and beautiful cakes, and I thought that it would pair perfectly with the movie Coco. Let's get into it. Gather together the ingredients necessary to make one batch of vanilla cake. You can find the recipe that I used down below in my description. If you do not want to make a cake from scratch, you can always use a boxed cake mix. Start by mixing together your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Little by little, add in your softened, unsalted butter. Continue mixing, and once you've reached a cornmeal type consistency, add in all of your sour cream, immediately followed by your eggs, egg yolks, and vanilla extract. Continue mixing until fully combined. At this point, we will add in our rainbow confetti sprinkles. I used about 1 cup's worth. I'm using 4 6-inch cake pans and 2 5-inch cake pans. Spray them thoroughly with pan spray and line them with parchment paper. For these layers, I decided to divide my batter into 2 separate bowls, coloring 1/2 of the batter purple so that we could create a marbled effect. Portion the batter evenly into your cake pans, 10 ounces worth for the 6-inch and 8 ounces worth for the 5-inch. Swirl together both of the colors with a spatula or a butter knife. Bake the layers at 325 for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, checking throughout the entire time. When finished, the cakes should spring back to the touch and have a slightly golden edge. To begin the prep for the decoration, I had pictures of the characters printed out on edible paper with edible ink. You can get these printed at your local cake supply shop or at most grocery stores. Carefully cut the images, leaving a white border around each one. Roll out fondant to about 1/4 inch thick. Apply a small amount of water to the fondant and stick your edible images to it. Cut around the images, leaving us with cute fondant cutouts. Next, we are going to make our brushstroke pieces using chocolate candy melts. Divide small amounts of each of your chocolate candy melt colors into separate bowls. Begin to melt in the microwave using intervals of 20 seconds, stirring throughout until completely melted. Lay down parchment paper and begin to spoon out drops of the chocolate. Using the back of your spoon, lightly push the drops upwards to create a brushstroke effect. For this cake, I made 1 batch of my Swiss Meringue Buttercream. You can find a video of how to make this buttercream linked down below in my description. I decided to add sprinkles to this buttercream to give it an extra fun, colorful twist. Now it's time to decorate. Stack up your layers one at a time, applying an even coat of buttercream in between each one. Apply your outer buttercream coat, working the buttercream until it is completely smooth and your edges are sharp. Make sure that your 5-inch cake is being frosted on its own personal 5-inch board so that when it comes time to stack it on top of the 6-inch, we're lifting the cake and the board together. Once chilled, add support to your 6-inch cake so that we can set the 5-inch cake on top. Now, start to add your decor. Start at the top of your cake and work your way down, placing the chocolate pieces on in a shingled manner. Place your fondant character pieces wherever you see fit. Continue to add brushstroke pieces until you are happy with your final product. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this cake. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I will be sharing videos weekly, so stay tuned. I can't wait to see you next week.
Zolo and Cute Lay.